What's up, everyone? You know who it is. Universal Fun League back at you with another vlog. Getting ready to go punch this time clock. Another daily grind. I know a lot of you out there on that daily grind who feel like you're not doing what you're supposed to be doing right now, but life is making you do what you have to do. And that's where I'm at right now. So, I mean, hey, I'm just checking in, letting you guys know that today, right now, I'm taking it day by day and trying to wait for an opportunity to present itself so we can make something big happen. So if you're a fighter and you've watched any of my videos and you think you can make something happen, hit me up. My number's all over YouTube, my emails, everything's all still the same. I ain't hard to find. So I just wanted to check in and say I love you to all my fans that have watched me along the way. And it ain't over for me. I'm just keeping it afloat for me and for mine. Because, like I said, I didn't make no money yet. I got to keep going, man. That's all I can do. So, I'm going to find an opportunity. I'm going to make something big happen. Until then, I'll just keep checking in, letting you know where I'm at. Right now, I'm about to punch in at that time clock. So, until the next vlog, I love you, peace.